Okay, number 4. Two-digit number. So again, let x represent the tens digit, and let y represent the ones digit. And remember, some people use t and u. It's up to you. Okay. So again, the number we're looking for is going to look like this, x, y. So the value of that number is 10x plus y. Again, if you don't understand that, look at number 1. I explained that there. Okay, so number 4, it says when the digits of a two-digit number are reversed. Okay, so now we're looking at, if we reverse them, we get yx. So the value of this is 10y plus x. So it says when the digits of a two-digit number are reversed, the new number is, so the new number's value, 10y plus x, is equals 54 less than the original number. The original number is 10x plus y, and 54 less is minus 54, right? Okay, there's the first equation. The second statement says, if the sum of the digits is 8, so the sum of the digits means x plus y equals 8, what's the original number? So there's our two equations. So first thing, let's simplify this, this first one. So 10y plus x equals 10x plus y minus 54. So I subtract y from both sides. So 9y plus x equals 10x minus 54. Subtract 10x, 9y minus 9x equals negative 54. And I'm going to divide both sides by 9. So if I divide both sides by 9, it'll be a simpler equation. So y minus x equals negative 6. Okay, so that's the top equation. Y minus x equals negative 6. And the bottom equation is still the same. X plus y equals 8, right? Okay, so how can we solve this equation? We could rewrite the top equation. Let's do that. Let's just rearrange the order. Negative x plus y equals negative 6. So I'm just rearranging the x and the y. So it's the y is positive, the negative x is negative, right? So, and then the bottom equation stays the same. And then we could add both equations, right? Elimination. Negative x and x is 0. Y and y is 2y. And 8 and negative 6 is 2. So y equals 1. And then we could use this equation, right, to solve for x. X plus y is 1, equals 8. X equals 7. So the number then is 71, because remember, we're looking for it in this order, x, y, right? So the number for number 4 is 71.